Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you that how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, you need to open your Roblox application. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the more option at the bottom. Once you tap on that one, from this menu, you need to go to settings. So once you tap on settings, from here, you need to tap on privacy and content maturity. So once you tap on that, it will take a bit of time to load. Once it do, you will find account deactivation and deletion right at the bottom. So once you tap on that one, there are two options. One is deactivate account and the next one is initiate account deletion. So if you want to permanently delete your account, it cannot be recovered again. You cannot gain access to that account. So you need to just tap on initiate. It will ask you one more time, say deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. So if you still want to continue, just tap on initiate and your account will be permanently deleted. So guys, this is all it takes to permanently delete your Roblox account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.